Okay, let's go for another one. Alright, same marketing video. Alright, we got a Grogu here, and this one looks like he's standing up. Okay. So, yep. This one looks like, I wouldn't say he's sleeping, but he has his Beskar armor, the one that was made for him, with the Mythosaur symbol as a chest plate. Something cool about this is you can actually swap the head, because this head doesn't, I don't know, doesn't fit that very well. I like Grogu smiling when he is wearing his Beskar armor, so there you go. Grogu wearing his Beskar armor. You can swap this with the other one, and oops, he fell. Okay, that's fine. Pick him up later. And this is the scene. Grogu meditating. I swapped the little hand with a spoon, but I can get that, replace it again, put it here. Let's just make some posts, and yes, that's the scene. That's the scene from the show, Grogu meditating. This is where he was able to be sensed by Luke. I forgot which season was that, but yeah, it's cute. Where did the other Grogu fell? Okay, so that's two out of 4. Yep, we got 2 out of 4. Yep, that's the second one that we opened. Really cute. Cool.